Welcome to this akeytsu tutorial where we'll learn how to space switch objects with our toolset. At the casing point, we are going to animate a classic juggling act making use of space switching tools in akeytsu. First, in rigging mode, we'll start by defining possible space origins or dynamic parents by clicking the chain icon opposite to joints in the picker. For the juggling act, we'll activate wrist R, wrist L, and also the character root, as this will be used when the ball is mid-air. Now switching over to animation mode, we'll start a new animation clip. An important rule to remember is that when creating a space switching key in time bar, you'll have to place it over at least one corresponding move rotate scale key, including the targeted object. That's the rule, guys, and you should follow it if you want to stay out of trouble. In this case, potion_healing is our juggling ball, and we'll have to space switch it multiple times. To do this properly, I will extract rig juggling ball into a new move rotate scale layer. This removes potion healing from base layer and places it in a separate one. We'll place the ball in starting hand and make sure that potion healing is selected in the picker. Then we'll add a dedicated space switching layer for it by going into the mixer panel and click add space switching layer. At the beginning of the animation, we'll define wrist_R as space origin for potion_healing. And as you can see, ball now moves together with wrist. Note that the assigned space can be edited through transfer panel if that's ever required. Now that everything is set up, we can start creating our first juggling poses, and we'll accelerate the video until the next transition. At this point in the animation, ball will be thrown into the air and stops following wrist. To change the space origin, we'll first create a new move rotate scale key for potion_healing, just like so. And this new key will be used as a transition key to switch space. We can then safely key in character as new space origin in the space switching layer, just like so. Our ball can now be manipulated separately while mid-air relative to the character root. And we can carry on with the second part of our juggling act. Note that multiple move rotate scale keys can be placed for a single space switching key. We'll accelerate the video and resume commenting for the next transition. At this point, ball lands into left hand, and here again, we'll have to change its space origin. You can of course mirror the throw pose into a new key to save time, and then adjust position of ball and hand accordingly. Again, here we'll want to create a new MRS key to transition to a new space. We'll now assign wrist_L as new space origin for the ball, just like so. Ball now inherits left wrist transforms and can be moved easily. We'll then proceed with various adjustments to refine our juggling animation. we'll make sure that the ball is correctly received into left hand, and we'll also adjust the movement of the hand so that it follows the movement along. With all this, we've now successfully created a basic juggling motion. When retiming space switching keys, make sure that MRS keys constrained by space switching do not change space, as this can create undesired behavior, just like so. A warning is displayed in the time bar when that happens, but the good thing is you can always use Ctrl-Z to revert back. In the event you want to lengthen animation, we advise to move constraint, move rotate scale key first and space switching key after. Used in creative ways, space switching opens up new possibilities. In this example, reverse foot joints use surfboard as space origin, which lets us keyframe this jump trick with perfect foot placements on the board. Space switching is flagged as beta in akeytsu 2020.3. We delivered something permissive and flexible that can be easily used, but we anticipate workflow and UI changes early 2021 to improve user experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this video will inspire you to create new animations where characters interact with different props. I wish you a very great day and keep on animating with akeytsu. Bye bye!